Hey guys, it's Poochie. If you're like me, when you make a YouTube video, you want to share it all over because the more you share it, the more views you get, right? Maybe not. We're going to watch a video today and I'm going to have some comments and some reactions to a video about why you shouldn't share your YouTube videos. So let's get into it. Guys, like I said, I always share my videos all over the place, but this is someone who is somewhat of a YouTube expert. He has several channels and they all do very well. And he says why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel, why you shouldn't post links to your videos, why you shouldn't. So let's get into it and see what he has to say.
Yeah, if you are sharing your videos with friends, family, Facebook, social media, Instagram, you probably are hurting your YouTube channel and you're probably hurting your views. I know, it seems weird.
That's crazy. That's not just weird, that's crazy. Tell us more, Obi-Wan.
Right? You're like, well, why wouldn't I want to drive people there to kind of kickstart it, to kind of get that video going and moving? We don't want to do that. And I'm going to explain why. And I've got my little handy dandy little whiteboard. All you Blues Clues people out there, you know what I'm talking about.
You know what?
The whiteboard is, what we say, Betsy, the holy grail of my YouTube videos now. I'm not using one today because I'm letting someone else use theirs in the video that we're reacting to, but the whiteboard, the dry erase board, is imperative. So let's get back into it.
We need our handy dandy notebook.
Let me know in the comments. You remember Blues Clues?
Oh, yeah.
My son's 26. I had the handy dandy notebook for him.
Oh, yeah.
You guys know what I mean. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to break all this down. We're going to talk about this right here. This is what most people are doing, and that's why it's hurting. We're going to talk about this here and YouTube's new AI engine that is really, really powerful. And if we allow it to do its job, well, we can get a lot more views. And if we have this down here, I gave you a little clue of what that is. You might be able to guess what that is, but if we have that, it'll skyrocket that. All right. And recently, we've had some videos that have skyrocketed because of that one thing. We'll get into all of that, all right?
I can't wait.
Let me know in the comments, are you right now sharing your videos when you first launch your videos on YouTube? Let me know in the comments, yes or no, all right?
Yes.
So let's go ahead and let's talk about it. So external, social media, Instagram, Facebook, email. Some of you might have an email list, and if you don't, you probably should start building an email list because it's pretty powerful. Not for this purpose, but it's pretty powerful to be able to have people off of the platform. So this way here, you have an asset that you've built on the platform, but you now have an asset off the platform. So email's big, but do not send an email.
So yeah, building an email list is big if you want to do really well on YouTube, if you want to do things like sell products, sell courses, do private coaching. An email is a very good way, email list is a very good way to make money via YouTube, but off YouTube.
To people that are, well, that are interested, you're tempted, don't do it, okay? I will tell you when is the right time to do it. I'll talk about that here in a little bit with email because it's something that I do and it definitely is part of my strategy, all right? Website, a lot of people have some website traffic and they want to put their video on there. I wouldn't do it right away. I'd wait on it, all right? We want to wait on it. We want to wait, and I would say we want to wait at least 7 days, all right, before we do any of this, okay? This over here, the YouTube AI. Right now, YouTube's AI is super powerful. It is basically taking your video and it is testing it amongst audiences. Even if you don't have many subscribers, you are going to show up into people's home feeds. Let me know right now in the comments, how did you discover this video? Maybe you were a subscriber, but maybe you weren't. Maybe you just saw this video.
So I first discovered his channel because I watched another video that was similar, and he popped up on the side, and I went, oh, okay, I'll watch his video. So he was in one of the suggested videos when I watched another one.
I'll pop up in your home feed. Let me know in the comments on that. I'm curious. All right, so why is this powerful, and what do we want to look for? I'll actually pop
and I'll tell you one thing. When he says, where did you blah, blah, blah? Let me know in the comments. Okay, let me know in the comments is a good trick if you do it conversationally to get people commenting on your videos. And when you get people commenting on your videos are going to get more views because people are engaging with your content.
a couple of the screenshots up here of what I like to see when a video is released and what I'm looking at in the analytics. Like I said, I'll pop that up on this screen as I'm talking.
Okay, so you see this, it's showing up in browse features in 76.6%, and 76.6% of the views on this video are from browse features on YouTube. Like he says, the YouTube AI is working and doing what it does. And then suggested videos, like that's where I first saw him, 12.6%. And if you look on this video, let's just go through his numbers on this video. Okay, 41,300 views. 2,900 watch time hours. That is insane. Okay. Let me tell you something. To get monetized on YouTube, which is what everyone wants, so they can have ads on their YouTube channel and start making that AdSense money, right, from YouTube. He has almost enough just on one single video to get monetized. It's 4,000 watch time hours that you need, and it is 1,000 subscribers. So on this video, he has 2,900 watch time hours and 1,200 subscribers that he gained just from this video alone. He made $373 from this video alone, and it's still going well. It looks like it has 2,000 views in the last 48 hours. So let's continue watching what he says, because obviously he knows what he's talking about.
So browse. We want the browse to show up.
Yes.
Because, well, that means that YouTube is pushing our video.
Yep.
All right? The suggested. Yes, we want to be suggested on other videos. That means that YouTube is trying to push our videos. So why wouldn't we want to do this? We don't want to break this. Let this do its job. And I like...
Okay, now did you understand that? You don't want to start doing external links, emails, etc. You don't want to start pushing your video until YouTube's AI and the algorithm has had a chance to figure out, okay, what is this video about and who are we going to suggest it to? Okay, because if you do your external links, etc., you're going to get views from people who might not normally be interested in this video. So you want to hold off and let YouTube's AI and the algorithm do its work. So he says 7 days.
I like to give it at least 7 days before I would ever even consider driving any external traffic. So that's the big thing. But if we don't have this in place, this isn't going to work. It's not going to work as well. And this right here can really blow up your channel.
We have to know what it is, right?
But again, we're not doing this. We're doing this right here, this side, okay? And then we're driving over to the video, but we're letting YouTube do the heavy lifting,
right?
All right? And when you do that, you're able to get more views and it can really take off. The one thing I didn't put in here is the search.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I do like to see search in there, but not until it's been out there for like a month. And the reason why is because there's so much more reach on the browse and suggested than there is for the how-to.
He's absolutely correct. I have been doing this, and he is absolutely correct. The way you're going to get views on YouTube is through browse and suggested, a little bit on search, and probably some from your subscribers. Unless you have a huge channel with tons of subscribers, you're going to want to use YouTube's power of the algorithm, okay? And that's the AI, where it will get you into people's browse. When they're browsing YouTube, bam, your video pops up. When it's showing suggested videos, bam, yours going to show up on the side.
All right, so really, really important. So let's fill this in. The must-have in order to make this thing really blow up. Ta-da! There
Title!
you go.
I knew it.
Title. Yeah, you guys probably already knew that, the ones that have been paying attention to the videos that I've been posting. That right there, the title. If you don't tell the algorithm, the AI algorithm that is, right, that's doing all of the heavy lifting, if you don't tell it who to target, then you're not going to be able to utilize the AI.
Right.
All right, sometimes it's too broad. So if you were doing tomato growing, you probably want to have tomato growing or tomato gardener.
So here's the thing. If you're doing a video about your YouTube channel, or how to grow a YouTube channel, or why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel, then you would title the video, "Why You Shouldn't Tell Anyone About Your YouTube Channel." How about that? If you're doing a video, a lot of my videos are about making money online. So I would do a video, how to make money on eBay, how to make money on Amazon, how to make money online in 2025. Okay. You want to make sure that you give YouTube enough information so their algorithm can take over, and the AI can say, oh, this is a video about why you shouldn't tell anybody about your YouTube channel. Right? That's what this is about. This is a video on how to resell better on eBay. This is a video on how to make money via an easy side hustle in 2025, etc.
In the title, so the AI can find the audiences for you. The thing is once we get the title right, yes, we want it to also be compelling, so someone that's reading the title will get pulled in.
Right.
All right. And, we've done a lot of titles over the years, and that's what we focus mainly on, is the title. I actually created a little swipe file of 10 titles that I've used over and over again, work really well. I actually created some templates out of it. If you want a copy of that swipe file, just put hooks in the comments and I'll send you a copy.
So if you want to check out his channel, if you want to get the hooks, okay. And there's also another one that he gives out to people. It's how he builds his email list, which is genius. It is Live Video School is the YouTube channel. Okay. Live Video School. His channel is great. He has all sorts of information for people who have YouTube channels.
Copy of that. Just put hooks in the comments and I'll send you a copy of that. All right. And what it does is it gives you not just what the algorithm wants, but what people are going to react to. One that I've done that works really well is breaking news. Always works well. Now, you can't use breaking news every single time. The other thing is when you have something that is new, YouTube is always looking for audiences that want new information. And if you attach that to your market, like the new fertilizer that grows tomatoes bigger than ever, you probably want to watch that if you're a tomato grower, right? So titles tell the algorithm who to go and target, who to find, who is browsing, who's going to be suggested your video.
Okay, so once you have the YouTube algorithm, right, the YouTube AI suggesting your videos, the title is what is going to make people click on it to watch it. So you have to make sure you have a compelling title that people want to watch. Now, he said breaking news is one that he uses occasionally that gets people to click on his videos. There are others, people like curiosity. I do well with curiosity videos, like why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. That's going to make you click. He has 1.9 million views on this video, I think, because this is a great title. Why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. Everyone with a YouTube channel is going to want to click on that video and say, well, I always promote. What's this? So it's brilliant.
Oh, and then you also want the title to hook the people that are looking for, or not even looking, that are browsing, and it gets them to want to click in to watch the video. Again, that's the title. But right here, the big lesson, no external traffic for at least 7 days. And what I generally do is after 7 days, I will see how the video is doing. If the video is pretty much already kind of went through its course, not saying that it won't ever get picked up again, that's when I will send an email and I will let people know about the video because it's already been through, well, that 7-day window for the algorithm to go out there and find audiences. Now, if that video is doing fantastic, I probably won't send that email until it starts to die down a little bit, just so this way here, I don't mess with it. Now, I talked about how important the titles are.
So when something is doing great, you don't want to mess with it. So if your video is still growing on YouTube and it is still, doing this and it hasn't plateaued yet, then you don't want to mess with it. You don't want to send emails. You don't want to post the link. You only want to post those after the YouTube AI has run its course, so to speak. And then you'll get more viewers, hopefully, from linking it and promoting it yourself. So I hope you enjoyed the video about why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. It's not really that you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. It's that you want to promote your videos with links and emails, etc. after YouTube's AI has had a chance to determine who your video is best focused to, or best who the best viewer is, and then they will go after that video and start to show it. And at that point, you want to make sure you have a great title and you want to make sure you have a great thumbnail. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching. We keep it real here. Thanks to Live Video School for helping us with this one. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure to click like, subscribe, the bell, and then you will be notified of our upcoming videos to teach you more about YouTube like this. Thanks for watching.